What's up guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Lego fidget spinner. So here we go. So what you need is, this is what you're going to need. So here, let me get a map real quick. So I'll get something to put this on so you guys can see it, and we'll get back. Okay guys, so we're back, and there's the pieces that you need. Let me get all the pieces. Okay guys, so there's a piece that you're gonna need. You're gonna need this right here. One of these. You need two of these. Two of these. A wheel and this. So these are all the parts you need right here. So we'll get to doing it. So first, we're gonna take this, put this on there like that, and then we're gonna do, just put this right there, and this right here, make a plus. And now, what we're gonna do is take this right here, and put that right there where it looks like that. And then last but not least, put the wheel on here. And there you have a Lego fidget spinner. So, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, Planet Your Mom. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, guys, you know what to do. Shoot those aliens and watch out for asteroids.